Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Roblox mic not working on mobile. First, let's ensure your device's microphone is enabled and not muted. Head into your phone's settings to confirm Roblox has permission to access your microphone. A stable internet connection is also crucial, so double-check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. These initial checks often resolve common microphone issues, getting you back to chatting with friends in no time. Next, let's dive into your Roblox settings. Make sure voice chat is enabled within your privacy settings. Remember, Roblox requires users to be 13 years or older with a verified age to use voice chat, so confirm your account meets this. While in-game, look for the small microphone icon next to your username. If it's not there or crossed out, voice chat might be disabled. Adjusting these settings can often quickly resolve the problem. If the problem persists, a simple restart can work wonders. Try completely closing and reopening the Roblox application. Sometimes, clearing the app's cache and data in your device settings can also fix glitches without losing your game progress. As a last resort for this step, restart your entire mobile device. These actions can refresh the app and system, often resolving temporary software conflicts that might be affecting your microphone. Finally, if all else fails, consider reinstalling the Roblox application. This ensures you have the latest version and a fresh installation. Before doing so, test your microphone with another app, like a voice recorder, to confirm it's functioning correctly outside of Roblox. If the mic works elsewhere but not in Roblox, it points to an app-specific issue. If you've tried everything, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.